Today we are traveling all the way to the medieval England to a little village with a very cute sounding name, Woolpit. Yes, you heard it right, Woolpit. And no, it has nothing to do with the wool or pits full of sheep, but it does have one of the strangest mysteries recorded in British history. So, grab your tea and snacks and let's dive into the curious case of the Green Children of Woolpit. Our story begins in the 12th century during the reign of King Stephen. Life was simple. Knights fought wars, peasants farmed, and everyone pretended they enjoyed boiled vegetables. But one day something truly bizarre happened. The villagers of Woolpit were out in the fields when they saw two small children, a boy and a girl, wandering near the edge of a wolf pit. Yes, the village was named after these deep pits used to catch wolves. Medieval England was wild. But here's the shocking part. The children were green, like honestly green. Not I ate too many vegetables green, not I feel sick green. More like I'm starring in Shrek 6 medieval edition green. And they were wearing clothes that no one had ever seen before. Strange metallic looking fabric, almost alien. Naturally, the villagers' reaction was, yup, this is above my pay grade. When the villagers tried speaking to the children, the kids responded in a completely unknown language. It wasn't English, it wasn't French, it wasn't even Latin, the popular language for looking smart. This kind of reminds me of Henry from The Secret History, because I just love that guy. Questionable choices, yes, but I'm just a girl. Anyways, it sounded like nothing anyone had ever heard. The villagers were confused but also curious, because when two green mysterious kids fall out of nowhere near a village, you don't ignore them. You adopt them like Pokemon. Yes. So the villagers took the children to the home of Sir Richard de Kane, a local nobleman. Now, here comes the funny part. The children refused to eat anything the villagers offered. Bread? No. Meat? Absolutely not. Vegetables? Only if they were the right vegetables. They cried and shook their heads at everything until someone brought freshly harvested raw beans. Suddenly they lit up. Yes, this is what we have been waiting for. They ate raw beans straight out of the pot like it was gourmet cuisine. Imagine explaining that to a medieval TripAdvisors. Ambience? 10 out of 2. Food? Raw beans. Would not recommend. After a few days, or what I like to call the Great Bean Festival, the children finally started eating other foods too. And as they adjusted to their diet, something else changed. The green skin slowly faded. That's right. Soon enough, they looked like ordinary human children. Well, ordinary medieval children. Over time, the girl learned enough English to explain what happened, and this is where things get even stranger. She said they came from a place called St. Martin's Land. According to her, it was always twilight there, not fully night, not fully day. Everything gave off a greenish glow. Everyone who lived there was green like them. They didn't know how they reached Woolpit. One moment they were tending their father's sheep, and next they heard a strange sound wandering into a cave or tunnel, and suddenly appeared in the blinding sunlight of England. Basically, they accidentally took the wrong step, a medieval teleportation mishap. Sadly, the boy grew weak and passed away soon after arriving, possibly from illness or shock, but the girl, she thrived. She learned English, got baptized, worked as a servant for Sir Richard, and eventually married a man from King's Lynn. Some sources even say she lived a perfectly ordinary life, well, as ordinary as it gets when your origin story includes a glowing alien green village. Many theories popped up over the centuries. Theory 1, they were from another dimension, a parallel world stuck in twilight. Very science fiction, very cool. Theory 2, They accidentally came through a cave or underground tunnel. Basically, lost kids took the wrong turn left at the bean field. Theory 3, Alien Children, everyone's favorite. Personally, I'm sticking with the parallel universe vegans looking for beans theory. So that's, my friend, is the wonderful, weird and slightly bean-flavored tale of the green children of woolpit. A story that has survived for almost 900 years and still leaves us wondering, were they lost children, visitors from another world, or medieval England's strangest case of pig eaters? Let me know what you think in the comments.